Greetings and welcome. Today I am restoring a halo piece for a client that I already took the before photos, which I'll show, which I hope you saw, but I have only used MYWater Beauty Solution. I started out by spraying down the extension, or weft is what we called it back in my day. We didn't call it an extension. We called it a weft. And if you can see, I'm able to completely detangle the extension hair, which is amazing because normally I used to have to, or thought I had to, shampoo the hair first. But look at that manageability. Yes, I have some hair in the comb, but that's extremely minimal to what is normally snagged out. Uh-oh, I didn't even get it all out the comb. That's very minimal. So I'm gonna keep going, which is amazing. It's completely, let me show you up close. It's completely combing through without snagging it. And I did not use any shampoo or conditioner. I started out using the wide tooth comb, but I quickly realized that not only was it not as effective, but oh my God, look at this manageability. The wide tooth comb was also not catching every snag. It was kind of running over them. So that's why I'm holding the extension weft to the sink, because it's serving as like a backboard and allowing me to detangle from the weft up top. Oh my God, this is amazing. Down to the ends. Wow. And now I'm gonna move right into the blowout, and I'm gonna make this piece silky and straight and make it look like it was brand new, like how it came out the bag. Oh my God, my client is going to be so impressed. So let's move right into the blowout. That was amazing. MYWater Solution is amazing. All right, so now we're back. And I still can't believe how easy the weave combed out. Look at that. It's going all the way through. No snags, no tangles. Oh, and there's no shedding either. Wow. Alrighty. Anyway, let's come back. I'm gonna do a better view and we're gonna start the blowout. All right, now I'm back and look at that. Completely restored. No shedding in the comb. Look at that. It has the shine in it. I didn't add any oil whatsoever. All the way down to the ends. Didn't have to use no shampoo, no conditioner, no tap water either. All I did was spray it down with MYWater Beauty Solution, combed it out, which made the detangling a breeze and so simple. And then I detangled, which helped me to remove all the kinks and the snags. Wow. It's ready. Yes. Okay, so I'm not even going to lie about what I'm doing here. So this piece has been worn by a woman who happens to sweat a lot. So it also, in addition to collecting the frizz and the tangles, had also collected a smell. So what I do as a holistic alternative solution, after you finish spraying it down with MYWater Beauty Solution and using the amazing 2000 watt Silverbird blow dryer with a pick, to dry it and get that result, you then want to deodorize using the old school Lysol by just spraying the weft down lightly, mainly up at the weft and the mid shaft. Just 1, 2. Wave it and then blow dry it because Lysol is a little wet. And now, not only has it been holistically restored back to its new state, but now it has a nice, fresh odor to it. Excuse me, no odor. It has no odor to it. All right, so I'm back. Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to MYWater Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Components that go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't